What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is May, but I'm gonna do a cooking with May today because it's early morning. Actually, it's 10:30, but it's okay. We're gonna eat breakfast today. I'm gonna make an acai bowl. I've been making these every single day for the past few weeks. Like, I think it's because it's convenient, but also because it's very, very good for you. So I'm just kind of in love with it, so I thought I'd share what I do. So for this, you're gonna need a blender. I'm gonna plug this one in. I don't really think it matters what blender you use, but the goal here, why can't I plug this in? What the? Okay. The goal here is to have like a really thick sorbet kind of consistency instead of like a watery drink type of consistency. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna use my Trader Joe's unsweetened acai packet. It looks like this. You can get like 4 for $4 or like 5 for $4, something like that. But you're gonna make sure this is kind of defrosted, not watery, but like it's like a slushy kind of. You're gonna cut it and we're gonna put it in our thing. This blender's a little different because you have to like snap it together. It has like multiple pieces. And when I was younger, I didn't know how to use it, but hold on, you're gonna hear a sound. It's like that. So now we're gonna cut this open, put it inside. I have this blade that I'm using. It's very sharp. We cut the top off. Now we're gonna just put it in here. Squeeze it out. This actually stains very easily, so try not to get it anywhere except the inside of your blender. I have some stains on my floor from this that I have to clean, so just thought I would let you know. It does look weird, that's okay. It's gonna taste great. Acai has so many benefits for you. I'm not like a health person, like a nutritionist or whatever, but from what I've heard, it tastes really great, and I know that for a fact, but I also think it lowers like bad things in your body. Like, I'll look it up and I'll put it on the screen, okay? So we don't have to worry about it. But now we're gonna throw this out. Now you're gonna wanna add any frozen fruit of your choice. So I'm adding strawberries from Trader Joe's. What I love about these is that it literally has one ingredient, and it says it right here. It says whole strawberries. But when you buy these from other stores, like, they have a bunch of other stuff in them. So we're just gonna add a little bit of these. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is enough. Okay. We also need a liquid of some sort. So I use coconut milk because I don't like using real milk from cows. I just don't like the smell. And coconut milk is actually better for you. So we're gonna add that in. This is the kind I'm using. It's from Silk. Someone didn't put the lid on. Right, and I shook it and now there's, okay, we're gonna add a little bit, okay? So we're gonna add a little, and if we need more, as we go on, we're gonna add more. Because when you add more, you can't take it out. When you add little, you can add more later, right? 1, 2, 3. That sounds right. Okay. There's no like measurement kind of thing for this recipe. I just add whatever. So here we go. I think I want to add some frozen mango in here, so I'm going to do that too. You don't have to if you don't want to. You can add whatever you want, take out whatever you want. It's a very flexible recipe, so that makes it easy. We have frozen mango in like a glass Tupperware box, so I'm going to add that in just a little bit. Okay, now we're going to put our lid on and blend it. You know, when I was younger, I would use this a lot, and I would put all my ingredients inside, but I wouldn't put this. Like, I would forget the blade, and then it would be a very big mess. But it's okay, we move. This lid is kind of hard to put on, but here's the thing. If you have the same one as me, just look for the triangle and match the triangle on your blender. So turn it around, push it down. There we go. Now we're gonna start it. I kind of forgot how to use this, but I think we're gonna click ice crush. No, blend. Okay, let's see. It smells very nice. Let's see how it is. Now we have to press the release button on top of here. You can't just take it out. Okay. That does look good. I'm gonna use a spoon and scrape down the sides. So it looks like this now. Pretty solid. I wanted to have like a thicker consistency, so I'm gonna add more frozen fruit. You can stop here though if you want. It does look so pretty, see? I like this blender because you can see how much you make. So if you're into that, that definitely helps. So this is what it looks like now. I think it looks much better, definitely less watery. Now we're gonna take out the blade and pour this into a bowl, and we're gonna add some more stuff on top. I think, you know, when I add things to smoothies, I like to decorate them on top, so I'm gonna make like a little bowl and add granola. I'll show you what I add on top, but I do like the strawberries right here. I don't need them to be all the way blended, but you do it to whatever you want. So here's what everything looks like. I got a little bowl to put this in. After we add this, we're gonna add some chia seeds and some granola. I also got some more mango and some chocolate. You can totally add whatever you want on top. This is what I'm adding. I think I might add some coconut too. So here we go. Here's our little acai bowl. Granola, chia seeds down there if you can see them, dark chocolate, and coconut. I actually don't like either of these things, but when you mix it together, it really doesn't taste that bad. So just add whatever nutritional value you want to add. You can add honey on top, syrup on top. I don't want to add any more sugar, so this is what I'm sticking with. Yeah, here's this week's Cooking with May. Pretty solid if you ask me. Let's try it to make sure it's okay. I know it will be. Actually, one of the most satisfying things I do after I film and take a picture is like I mess the whole thing up and I eat it like it's like soup, but that sounds weird, so let's stay away from that. Let me take a picture for my thumbnail. Lately I've been forgetting to take thumbnails and I don't remember until I'm editing and it's the middle of the night and I can't really change anything at that point, so here we go. All right, let's take another thumbnail here. Was this open the whole time? Very unprofessional of me. Okay, here we go. Okay, I think that's good. It's really sweet, but I like it. So make sure you try this at home. It's really easy. You just put everything in a blender and then decorate at the very end. So let me know if you make it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next week. Bye.